Hello, this is Melissa Sweet, public health journalist from Croaky Blog. And I'm sitting at a cafe in beautiful Cairns with Murrumu, and he's going to talk to us about why sovereignty is such an important health issue. Would you like to introduce yourself, please?
Nayo mama Murrumu Walubara Yidindji Yengo Wurumba Gimoi, and I guess Nayon Ninkojin mental health and sovereignty and dominion. Sovereignty is important for one's mental health is because you don't have a legal personality, and the truth is who you are, who you're not, and what you're not. So what sovereignty does is removes the persona, and persona in Greek means mask, and that mask doesn't belong to the original people on the continent, which is commonly referred to by the Crown as Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islanders or many other different names. But for Yidindji, we can only be ourselves, and that's why we have no longer live in the Commonwealth of Australian realm, because it is a fictitious realm. We know that we were here before the European, and we are still here today because the Federal Court of Australia and many other Commonwealth of Australian apparatuses in the legal realm say that. John Howard in the year 2000 said that this land was settled without treaty or consent. 2 weeks after he said that, he said Australia cannot treaty with itself. So if Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islanders are yet to be constitutionally recognised in the foundation document, the legal document called the Commonwealth Constitution Act of 1901, how can it then force Australian laws on a distinct group of people that are not recognised in that document? So what we've done is said that is not our world. But we don't judge people who want to continue to live in that Australian realm, because a lot of my friends and family are still Australians or identify Australians. But for us, it's far much easier to go back to our original law, and that law is the first in time law. So for us, there are massive mental health benefits. I've lost nearly 12 kilograms in the last 6 months.
Why do you think you've lost so much weight?
Well, it's because we no longer subscribe to that universe. And I said this before, that the universe means one word. In the Australian realm, the one word is their word. There's only one way to speak, and that's go to university, and they teach many things, but it's sort of the Australian way or the Commonwealth way. What we've done is gone totally back to the opposite world, gone back to eating high-fat diets, low sugar, low carbs, and really taking a walk in our hospitals, which is this land and sea and swimming in fresh water that you can drink that comes off the mountain, it comes from the heavens. So we're really immersing ourselves back to our true lives. And, we're spiritual beings, and we live inside our bodies, inside this universe. And when you're in the Australian realm, you have a corporate residence or a political address, and you have a person, and that person is part of a club or society that has certain rules, and those rules are a little bit unfair to the original tribal people. There are lots of Aboriginal people within the Australian realm that are doing quite well, but at what cost? So that's where we are, and I guess we can talk a lot more in the future about that, but this is a sort of an off-the-cuff thing from Croaky Blog, and we're very happy to test it all out, and may your gods or your God protect you, and if you don't believe in one, may you continue to bless one another.
Thank you very much, Murrumu. We look forward to hearing more from you about sovereignty.
Baru.
Tune out now.